Today in the grain market, soybeans were a little bit lower. That increased crop estimate definitely capped any kind of rally for the market to get rolling. As we anxiously await that U.S.-China trade deal signing, the futures have kind of stabilized somewhat, and they're basically locked into about a 20-cent range. I think that there is a hope that there's going to be some big sales to China once the details come out. If that happens, then it might give a little bit of a shot in the arm that we're looking for. But with the stock market doing so well and really kind of underpinning a lot of support for the U.S. dollar index, that makes it difficult for us to really move a lot of exports. So that could play a role later on down the road. Today, corn was firm. Futures were focused on the trade deal without a doubt. The market is in kind of a touch and go state right now, and it stands to improve up over the $4 mark if the details are friendly to corn. So that's the big question. Everyone's really hoping that that could be the one significant move where we have something on the upside to really shoot for. But right now, it looks like we're going to be moving sideways until Wednesday. Now, wheat was a little bit easier today. Its follow-through buying was somewhat weaker, even though the market still looks relatively strong. I think that it doesn't look like it's going south anytime soon, certainly not until we see what's in the details of that trade deal. But we've got to be careful because that U.S. dollar index is looking strong, and that's absolutely going to take a toll on the wheat on all three contracts, the Kansas City wheat and the Minneapolis wheat. So we have to watch that closely. It could have a lingering effect even down the road. So that's just something to think about. All eyes, though, for sure are on that trade deal signing on Wednesday, and then we'll see what happens later on in the week. There's a lot of balls in the air right now, and I think there's going to be a lot more activity.